What's up, gang? It's your boy Abuja, and if you want to learn more about me, make sure you check out my website at mentorwithabuja.com. And today, in this very specific video today, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make 1,000 about $600 on basically me just testing out different companies' products that they have to offer, and for free too. And basically, this video right here is gonna go in depth, and basically gonna show you guys how I was able to make it right here, as you can see right now on my screen. But guys, man, this is crazy, man. Some people had this question: is there a way basically to make money online free without spending not even a dime? Yes, there is. You can basically test out different kind of companies' products and basically make money. Or what you can do is you can try out CPA networks. CPA is basically click to action. They basically pay for you to click, for people to click their offers, man. It could be emails, it could be whatever tax they want them to do. But that's how great it is to make money online, man. As I was saying, man, this is free. No money, no credit card. You need nothing. It's gonna be the link. It's gonna be the first link in the description to basically show you guys how to basically make money without online, without paying nothing. Tell the intro. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys something really cool guys. Some of you may probably heard of this one cool website called Level Reward. Level Reward, in my opinion, is fantastic, man. You can make free money on there. I don't even know why I just did that, but yeah, you can make free money on Level Reward for basically not even putting a lot of effort. Because I had the free method to make money online. Let me show you guys. Right now I'm in the proof group right here, and I'm just going to show you guys what is possible. Look at this. Look at this. This girl, she has make this amount of money in just about, I think, this year, and she made this money. Look at this, about $3,000. And then I think you're able to go for, I think, yeah, there's like a bunch. You make 3,000, you can go. More and more people will have so much success and proof, man. And all you do is basically just try different products like Netflix, Hulu. Now that's easy. That's how easy it is to make money online, because companies, instead of them paying advertisements, like paying money on putting their money on advertisement to run ads on Instagram and all that, and also for them to even put traffic on not Instagram, or on the internet, and also for them really spend money on TV commercials. They rather just do this, basically pay you and I to basically go out there and try to get people to try to find customers for them and clients for them. You see, look at this. Look how great this is. People are making this amount of money. Look at that. Keep going, man. And they have about, look at that, bro. I could go on. I could go all day, bro. This is show you that Level Reward, in my opinion, is fantastic. And also Level Reward. Let me show you guys how many people are on there. They have about. I just requested to join the group. Because first I was in so many groups. That's why I didn't just get out of there, because I wasn't posting anything. So I got out, and I'm just coming back in there. As you can see right here, yeah. So look at the members, man. They have about 34,000 members. Let me show you guys how this works. Let me go to my back office. I'm gonna show you guys. That's my referral link, but I'm not. I have They say you cannot have a bunch of accounts. I have a lot of accounts. I just made this one today for Level Reward because I want to make more money. You have like 2 PayPal accounts, and then You have 2 level rewards account, you make more money. I just made this today so I can make more money. But guys, yeah, and I'm also using my hotspot, so let's let y'all know that it is possible. Let me show you guys. So what you do is this. See right here, I'm in my level account. Right here, it explains every single thing to you. So first thing what you're gonna do is this. You sign up. Your first goal is to do this. It tells you right here, do not sign up people that live in the same, that you guys live in the same apartment. Do not share internet connection with a referral. Due to referral increasing accessing your level reward. Now look at this. They have so much. They have so They have so much. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. They have so much. Look at this, man. They have GameFly. They have all this. You can try out all these offers right here. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Now, as you can see right here, credit value. Now, if you have, the more credit you have, the more potential you can able to make money on referrals. Let me just say you have 10 credits. Now you can able to make, I think, $10 per referral. Yeah, guys, that's how the referral system works. Look at it. It says right here, you can earn $5 for every referral. No. If you no. Actually, if you have 1 credit, you can make $5. No. So you can earn 5. Oh. Okay, guys, I just not understand it. It goes like this. So for every one, it's a one for every. Okay, let me say you have 5 credit. 5 credit is what is, in my opinion, is like $25. Yeah, five credits is $5. For every one credit is $5. So let me just say you have about 30 credits, man. That's a lot of money. You can be making close to 90 something per referral, man. And some of them have to actually put in the work, because you have to try these offers. They have so much offers, man. They have so much. Look at these. Look, and they add it every single day. They're updating the sites. Look at this too. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. GoDaddy. But listen, for you to actually able to make money on this, you gotta try out different offers. And then what you can do is you can cancel it. That's what I always do. I always cancel when I try a different offer for like 7 days. I cancel them. Look at this. This one right here cost about. Look at the credit. That's a good credit right there. That's a nice credit. I'll be able to make good money doing this, man. And let me show you guys how I actually promote this. How I promote this is very easy. I go to my Facebook. Let me show you guys. I go to my Facebook and I basically go to all these groups. Let me show you my groups. I go to all these groups. People always looking for free stuff, so why not basically give them something that is free? And level reward is free, so that's how I basically make money. It's that easy. People like free stuff. I'm all in these groups, man. All in these groups, and I make a ton of money on these groups, man. I'm all in these groups, man. I'm all in these groups, but some of these groups I haven't posted in a while. But I'm all in these groups. I'm all in these groups, guys. That's how I market. And also, I have a cool way how I actually market. I have a bunch of tools that I use to get leads and to actually make sales. So if you're interested in signing up for level reward, in my opinion, is free, no cost, no nothing. All you do is try out those products, those services right there. I've been doing this about, let me just say 4 to 5 months now, and it's really great. Yeah, it's great. In my opinion, I love level reward because nothing beats it, man. Level reward is nothing. There's no recurring basically payments. Monthly fees you have to pay. No, it's basically easy as that. When you finish your level, somebody sign up, you got somebody, and they actually work, and then get to that level, basically get paid. That's easy. So that's how easy it is. But guys, don't let people actually tell you what you can do and what you can't do, guys. So make this count. Actually, go in the link, go in the description, and actually sign up for level reward if you live in the United States, UK, Australia, or Canada. Yeah, those 4 countries, guys. till next time, man. And I'm also sleepy, cause while I've been on my computer the whole day today, I was just trying to figure out some tools and some how things works, because I wanna basically automate my business. But till next time, man, I'm out of here. If you wanna connect with me more, make sure you check out the description. Check out my Instagram, my Snapchat, and all those other social medias out there, man. Till next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. And also remember to always think like a millionaire, act broke. Peace.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on no Uzi and show up, man, them that